Okay, this video might take you guys off guard. So in this video, we are going to evaluate the integral of cosine of 3x times cosine of 7x dx. Now this might seem like something impossible, because if you try and do like a u substitution or something of the sort, you really can't solve for the other one. It doesn't help you at all. And it's not like cosine is the derivative of cosine, so you've got nothing over there. It seems like you're really stuck until you remember that you should ask Ben Yazdi for help, because he'll always help you out, because he's such a nice guy. And he'll remind you, don't you remember the double angle formula? Where you have cosine of a plus b is equal to cosine of a times cosine of b minus sine of a times sine of b, and then we also have cosine of a minus b is cosine of a times cosine of b plus sine of a times sine of b. Don't you remember that? This is like basic stuff over here. What you do is I'm going to add them up. I'm going to get cosine of a plus b plus cosine of a minus b equals 2 cosine a cosine b, and these two cancel out, so we're all good. And now I can see that this integral is directly in the form of cosine a times cosine b, so I'm just going to divide by 2. So I'm going to get rid of that right there. Sorry with the focus, I don't know what's happening with my phone. I'm not touching any buttons, just look at that. If anybody watching this video knows what's up, please help me. So now I'm going to say a, in this case we have a being greater than b, so I might as well do it. I'd say a equals 7x, b is going to equal 3x, and I can just plug it in. So cosine of a plus b is cosine of 10x, and then it's plus cosine of a minus b, that is 4x. And now the reason why this over here is so amazing is because now we have a plus over here instead of a multiplication sign, so we can break this up into two different integrals and solve from there. So I can say that this is equal to cosine of 10x dx plus the integral of cosine of 4x dx. And this is just very simple. It is going to be, we're going to have the 1/2 over here because we divided by 2. So I'm just going to put this whole thing over here, put a 1/2 over there. So now something's derivative equals cosine of x, that is sine of x. And then if we say it's sine of 10x, then we would have to also divide by 10, because when we take the derivative of sine of 10x, it would be cosine of 10x, and then using the chain rule, you'd also have a times 10, so we have to divide by 10 here, so that this is its derivative. Then it would be plus, same thing over here, sine of 4x, and watching out for the chain rule, we're going to have a 4 over here. And then it is plus c. Bada bing, bada boom. That is the answer to your seemingly impossible problem. Thank you much for watching, and goodbye.